something very simple as a um, click funnel for this service that I want to put out because I'm going to be moving around the city today. I'm going to pass out some flyers. I want the flyer to have, let me click over some basic information and a QR code. So I got to figure out where I'm going to put the QR code. I'm going to change out a lot of the branding and stuff. I'm going to change out the images. We're going to figure this out, but I want to do this really, really quickly. But I think the first thing I want to do is try to find the website on Canva. Now, I'm not sure which one I want to go with. Let's do some looking. I kind of like this, but I want to be consistent, and my colors, my branding is changing a little bit, so I want to be very consistent. I do like this though. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. We're gonna go for this for now for the sake of time, because I'm doing this in like 10 minutes. So now that we found our landing page that we're going to do, we're going to go to Claude.ai, which is my favorite AI tool, and we're going to get some copy. So I already gave it its prompt to help me create the right copy to put on this landing page. So I'm just going to add a few more tweaks. I'm going to add my logo. I'm going to add the colors that I want. I'm going to change the image, and then I'm going to change out the text. So now that we have hashed out the landing page, we're going to jump back over to the flyer. So this is going to be the flyer that I'm handing out. I'm going to change it to my branding, my colors. I really love a forest green. I can't help it. It has me in a chokehold, so I use it every single chance that I get. So I'm just using the same design. I'm just changing it out to represent Geek Empowered in what I'm doing. So I'm just going to offer the VIP session, which is essentially a one-on-one live co-working session where we're working together on Zoom, and you get to ask me questions. I get to help you out on what you're building out, and you get results in real time instead of waiting for a lot of back and forth. You can kind of hear it on the spot what you need to complete your website, to launch your course, to schedule out your social media posts. We get to do that in real time. So right now, I'm also publishing this website on Canva. So you get to actually have a domain. It's a subdomain, but it is a domain that is clickable, that people can visit. They don't have any paywall or anything. I had to actually publish it. That's why you saw the 404. But once it's published, then it's actually live and people can visit it. So I'm testing that out, and here you have it. It is live. So now what I'm going to do is for my flyer, I'm going to create a QR code so that way when people use their phone, they see the flyer, they use their phone, they're able to take a picture. Well, not a picture, but once the camera is on the QR code, a URL will pop up, and you're able to click it on the camera, and it redirects you to either your Safari or your browser, your default browser, or your Chrome, and then you're able to go directly to this link. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to go directly to that URL that I created in Canva, and then they get to see the landing page that I created. So I already synced it. This is the QR code, and I'm downloading it so that way I can re-upload it to Canva and add it to my design. So here's my design. There's a few more things I need to change on this design, but I am uploading that QR code directly to Canva, and now I can use it so that way people can access that landing page. Okay, so now that I have my landing page and now that I have my flyer, I want to make sure that people do something when they get to my landing page. So right now, we're going to set up my appointments. So with Google Calendar, they released a new feature where people can book appointments, and it's been extremely helpful. It's been extremely helpful when it comes to my consultations because it goes directly